Morning everybody. Today I will discuss new chapter designs of experiment. The logical construction of the experiment in which the degree of uncertainty with which the inference is conclusion drawn may be well defined. Now designs of experiment includes there are three types: planning of the experiment, obtaining relevant information from it regarding the statistical hypothesis under study. Third one, making a statistical analysis of the data. The observations obtained from a planned and designed experiment in advance give entire valid inferences. Some important definitions of designs of experiment. First one, experiment. An experiment is a device or a means of getting an answer to the problem under consideration. There are two types of experiments. One, absolute experiment. The determination of the absolute value of some characteristics is called absolute experiment. For example, average intelligence of a group of people. Another example, correlation coefficient between two observations in a Bayes distribution. Second one, comparative experiment. The experiment which are designed to compare the effect of two or more objects on some population characteristics are called comparative experiment. For example, comparison of different fertilizers, different cultivation process, different pieces of land in a field experiment. Next, treatment. What is treatment? Treatment is various objects of comparison in a comparative experiment are called as treatment. For example, the yield experimentation, different fertilizers are treatments. In a medical experimentation, different medicines are treatments. Next, experimental unit. The smallest of division of the experimental material to which we apply treatment and on which we observe on the variable under study is called as experimental unit. For example, the field experimentation, the plot of land is the experimental unit. In the medical experimentation, the patient in the hospital is called experimental unit. Next, blocks. In agricultural experiments, most of the times we divide the whole experimental unit into relatively homogeneous subgroups, strata. The subgroups are more uniform among themselves than the field as known as blocks. Next, yield. The measurement of the variable under study on different experimental units are termed as yield. Next, replication. The identification of an experiment more than once is called replication. In other words, the repetition of the treatments under investigation is known as replication. Next, precision. The reciprocal of the variance of the mean is called as the precision. Precision is also known as the amount of information of a design. Thus, for experiment replicated r times, The precision is given by 1 upon variance of x bar, that equal to 1 by sigma is equal to r, or r divided by sigma square, where sigma square is the error variance per unit. Next, efficiency of a design. Consider two designs D1 and D2 with error variance per unit sigma 1 square and sigma 2 square, and replicated R1 and R2 times respectively. Then the variance of the difference between two treatment means is given by 2 sigma 1 squared by R1 and 2 sigma 2 squared by R2 for D1 and D2 respectively. Then the ratio E is equal to 2 sigma 1 squared by R1 divided by 2 sigma 2 squared by R2, that equal to 2 sigma 2 square by R2 divided by 2 sigma 1 square divided by R1, that is equal to R1 by sigma 1 square divided by R2 by sigma 2 square, that is equal to R1 by sigma 1 square divided by R2 by sigma 2 square, that is equation number 1, is called as efficiency of design D1 with respect to D2. If T is equal to 1, then both designs D1 and D2 are said to be equally efficient. If E greater than 1 or E less than 1, then D1 is said to be more or less efficient than D2. In other words, the efficiency of D1 with respect to D2 may be defined as the ratio of the precision of D1 and D2. Next definition, uniformity trials. A trial in which a experimental material is divided into small units and the same treatment is replicated on each of the units and their yields are recorded. Such trials are called as uniformity trials. Uniformity trials enables to have an idea about the fertility variation of the trial. Experimental error. It is a common experience that the fertility gradient of the soil does not follow any systematic pattern but behaves in an erratic fashion. Even if the same treatment is used on all the plots, the yields would be vary from plot to plot, which is due to random factors behind human control, is called as experimental error. Thank you.